Here in Adobe Illustrator on a blank sheet of paper, I want to show you a really nice update to your eyedropper tool. So I'm going to press and hold down, make sure I'm on that eyedropper. Then I'm going to go to File and Place. And I have a color photo from a Scooby-Doo design that I wanted to work on. I got this little snow creature. Okay, what I would recommend, as I always recommend, is before you place a photo, turn off all your check marks for your options. You're not making a link. You want to embed the photo. So I'm going to click place. And instead of just clicking, I'm going to click and drag. I want the photo to be about that big on the screen. Okay, let's, I don't want to turn a concept to vector. Let's get rid of that. That's AI garbage. I don't talk about that. So let me go my black arrow and move that into the screen. And when I click outside to deselect, under your preferences or settings, under general settings, there is a new preference called Show Color Sampling Ring. Okay, I'm going to turn that off. And I'll click OK. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit. And you could see this snow creature has a thin little blue outline. Okay, if I take my eyedropper and hover over that, all I see is the eyedropper. I don't even see what color it's going to pick until I click. Or am I on the gray? Am I on the blue? I can't tell until I click. Okay. I want a little more precision when I'm going to select color. So I'm going to go to Illustrator, Settings, General, and turn on Show Color Sampling Ring. If you click the eye, available while using the eyedropper. That's like a tooltip. Information. Show the color sampling ring. Cool. Now when I click OK, well, what the heck? I still got the same eyedropper. But I hold my Shift key. Now when you take the eyedropper, notice the bottom half of the inner circle is the color I started with. The upper half of the inner circle is the color I'm hovering over. So you'll notice when I hover over the red, the upper half turns red. If I hover over the light blue, the upper half turns light blue. Okay, so now I can tell I'm on the body. Now I'm on the gray, now I'm on the blue outline, and I can get that more precise color selection with my eyedropper. Click on the eyedropper, hover, and hold your Shift key. Funny that the preferences didn't tell you to hold Shift, so you need to know that trick. Hold your Shift key, and you will get precise color selections. That's the new update for the eyedropper here in Illustrator 2026.